You got me messed up. Okay? You got me messed up in every way. I'm out of here. I'm freaking out of here.
Hey guys, on our way back to LA, leaving in the middle of a Chicago snowstorm. It is terrible. Say hey, Tamarya.
Hey, y'all.
We're finally on the plane, get ready to take off, and we'll see you guys in LA. Hey guys, so we made it to LA and we're seeing Torrin for the first time. We get up. No, I'm jumping up. Hey,
Don't touch my head. Hello. Yes.
I just give it my chance.
Her and her boyfriend broke up. I know. I already knew it was coming. Me too. He's so immature. Hey guys, so I am here with Toto, and we are at La Fonda. She ordered us so much food. I am so grateful for her, and I don't love her, but I do tolerate her. Annie over here. Say hi, Annie.
I was like, who brought Annie here?
Okay, we'll be back later.
We are doing charcoal.
Do I put this across my lip?
No. Well, yes.
Oh, for right, Torrin. I don't know.
No,
if I
yeah,
do
because
that.
I did.
Torrin.
Sorry.
I don't know if I want to do that.
You do. Getting all of the dead skin off of our face. We're gonna come back.
I'm scared.
Hurry up. Jeez, you're taking forever. And you still need to wait for it to dry.
Okay, so is this enough?
Is it enough for you? Dude,
What?
give me...
What?
Literally, you have to smooth it out. You have like chunks of charcoal mess
Oh my gosh.
on your
What
cheek.
am I doing?
You had used way too much.
Oh my gosh. Is it gonna hurt more?
No.
Torrin, tell the truth.
It's not. You just put on... It's just going to take longer for it
You
to
guys.
dry. You already have to wait like 20 minutes for it to dry.
I don't even know if I want to do this anymore.
It's too late.
Oh gosh. So...
Oh my gosh.
I'm the black man group.
Give me this. Give me this.
Okay.
This is...
I just wanted to
the
take
phone.
some off. Okay.
So literally... Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Freaking psycho. You have...
I didn't
Way
know how much
too-
I was supposed to put.
Not this much. First of all, you barely put any on your nose.
Okay.
So you're not going to peel any dead skin off of there.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. You just take the whole freaking bottle. Why don't you? Yeah.
No, I really didn't use a lot.
Kovu.
Simba.
You did use a lot.
Okay, is it done?
No.
Oh
When I
my
stop
gosh.
swiping, you're done. I almost did like this.
Thumbnail.
You see all this? This wasn't on there before I started.
Torrin, yes, it was. Shut
No,
your
it
freaking
wasn't.
mouth. Look at you.
Okay, that's gonna have to
is that
do.
enough? Okay.
No.
Okay, y'all. We'll be back in about
15 to 25 minutes. And Tamarya's
What?
case probably
Okay, bye.
tomorrow.
Okay. Hey guys, update. We're about
Taking off our masks.
We are about to take these off. Where do you start?
Anywhere, thinking we're good.
I don't know if mine is done.
Some parts of mine isn't, but that's only because I put too much. And afterwards you can just wipe it off. Ow! That kind of hurts. Ow, my face.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
Oh, yours is already off?
Yeah, girl.
Hold on. Oh, God. I don't even think this is working. Like, what is it doing?
Do you hear your mother speaking about you?
This isn't even ready. It's peeling off like wax instead of like elastic. What? Seriously.
You.
Oh, God. Oh.
You're so dramatic.
No, seriously, that hurt. Like, I have hair here. I have sideburns like a man.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this hurts.
I think it's because I'm used to it.
happy Sunday, rich young rulers. Say hey, Tamarya, Torin, gotcha. On our way to worship on this morning. Just wanted to say, what you want to say? Hey. Hey. What?
This is the cooking class.
Hey, rich young rulers.
Hey guys, we are at Downtown Disney.
Stop, Mom.
Close up of Wilson. Torin told me.
You look so weird.
Okay,
What are you doing? Hi. I love this.
What?
Are you cold? Which hat you
No.
got on? The Star Wars hat?
Yeah, baby.
I'll
no,
hold it for
the
you.
same one as Torin.
Cute.
Huh? Stop the camera. Torin, what are you doing? What are you doing? Put it down. Put everything back.
Delicious.
So Wilson just got some beignets. It's supposed to be like the ones in New Orleans, but we'll see how it tastes.